Girl on Fire, Darlene. For arranging yung version ni Darlene ng Louder. And we'd also like to thank J-Star Dancers as choreographed by Miss Joanne Ligo. And we'd also like to thank Veda, Sophia, Jillian, and Ashley ang kasama mo sa iyong performance. Darlene!
Ako po si Spy Girl.
Ano?
Spy Girl.
Spy Girl. Spice Girls. Akala ko Spy Girl. Naging Spia. Okay. Unahin natin magko-comment si Coach Bamboo. Coach Bamboo?
Hello, Darlene.
Hello po.
Yung gusto ko talaga sa'yo, yung paano mo binibigay pa ng 110, 20, 30, 40% sa bawat kanta na ginagawa mo. Na you just give it your all and it's amazing to see. Huh? And I love that about you. That's why ang sarap ka pakinggan at panoodin lang talaga. Kasi yung ginagawa mo, the Girl on Fire, you're a spark plug, you're fireworks, you know what I mean? That's what you are. Sorry sa English, but congratulations, great performance.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Coach Bamboo.
Thank you.
Coach Lea.
Ayan, Darlene, ang apoy mo, talagang nilabas mo talaga on that stage! Talagang nandyan yung Girl on Fire. Pinakita mo talaga sa aming lahat ngayong gabi kung bakit yan ang ipinangalan sa iyo. Na talagang yung apoy mo, yung pagmamahal mo, yun ang sinasabi namin sa iyo na dapat ilabas mo lahat yun. At yung idolo mo din si Cherise, proud na proud siguro siya kung nakapanood siya. So, that is one heck of a performance. Yung performance mo kanina, yung performance mo ngayon, yung sa kwela mo, yung intonation mo, wala akong marinig na mali. Lahat ng ginawa mo, perfect! Kaya sana iboto ka dahil perfect yung performance mo yan. Wala akong mahihingi pa sa'yo. Ang galing-galing mo lang talaga.
Thank you, Coach Lea. Thank you, Darlene.